This procedure begins with transfecting 293 T cells with lentivirus plasmid and viral packaging vectors. The viral supernatant is harvested after at least a 48-hour incubation period. The supernatant is filtered to be concentrated with an ultracentrifuge. After ultracentrifugation, the viral pellet is resuspended with PBS. To obtain virus titer, first dilute concentrated virus in complete media. Then perform serial dilution to infect cells with lentivirus.
Hi, I'm Xiaoyin Wang from the laboratory of Michael McManus at the Diabetes Center in the University of California, San Francisco.
I'm Michael McManus.
Today, we'll show you a procedure for the production of lentiviruses.
We use this procedure in the laboratory to make lentiviruses for RNA interference.
So let's get started.
To begin this protocol, prepare the DNA with which to transfect the 293T cells. First, dilute Fugene 6 transfection reagent in a 1.5 milliliter tube by mixing 30 microliters Fugene 6 with 600 microliters serum-free medium. Be careful to not let Fugene touch the side of the tube as you deliver it into the medium. Incubate at room temperature for 5 minutes. Next, in the cap of the tube, mix 4 micrograms lentiviral